So when building your truck, wheels can be expensive and a huge investment. Now, whether you are doing a budget build or really just don't want to spend a ton of money on wheels, there are literally tons of options out there for under $1,000. Now, I know what you're gonna say. You guys have already done multiple videos on this topic, and I know, but it's 2020, so we need an updated version, and plus, I have never done my version of it. I'm Lawson with Custom Offsets, and it's time to sit back, relax, and let's go over my 5 wheels under $1,000. Now, throughout the video when we talk pricing, this is gonna be for a full set of 4 wheels. Also free mounting, balancing, and of course shipping. So the price you see is literally the price that you guys will get. But before we get started, if you guys would like to browse all of our wheels, you guys already know, customoffsets.com, let's hop into it. First up, we have one heck of a wheel. Coming in first at the RBP 71R Avenger in a 22x14 -44 offset in the black and milled finish for only $928, which is on sale from $1,500, even freaking crazier. Now the 2414 -76 offset of the same wheel is sitting at only $1,050. So if you guys are thinking about 24s, not a bad price. These are some big sizes for only $1,000. We tossed a set of these RBP Avengers on a Jeep here at the shop a while back, and they look so good. I really like the crazy spoke design with not your typical window in the spokes. It was a super badass, aggressive wheel that I would literally rock on my truck. I love it that much. And it's only $1,000. Next up, we have the Anthem Avenger in a 20x10 -18 with the satin black finish. This is honestly my favorite wheel from Anthem, and it's their newest wheel. With the multi-spoke / honeycomb spoke design, it gives you options to either make it an off-road wheel for your off-road rig, or a show, or if you're trying to do kind of in between. With a 10 wide, you see concavity to the face of the wheel, as well as a pretty decent lip for a -18 offset. Now, we had one of our employees running the Avenger on his Tundra, and it looked so good. So good. You can get this wheel for only $1,000, which is pretty impressive considering this is Anthem's newest wheel. Next up, we have the Moto Metal MO962 in a 20x12 -44 black and milled. You can get a set of these for only $992. Now, I don't know about you guys, but Moto Metal has been a solid company and option when it comes to truck wheels. I really enjoy the flat face, thick spoke design, and being a 12 wide gives off a really clean, big lip show feel, which is exciting since you can get into a set of 20x12s for under $1,000. Next up, we have Motive Off-Road Mutant 424B, standing for black finish, in a 22x12 -44. I know, crazy, right? A 22x12 for under $1,000. It's actually sitting at $970 for a set of 4. Now, you might be wondering, who is Motive? Motive is a newer company on the scene who started in the car scene and was really successful, and they've now moved into doing truck wheels. Motive Off-Road is under the ATD umbrella with TIS, Dropstar, Centerline, Gear, etc., meaning they are made in the same high quality in the same factories, just at a significantly less price. Another cool wheel from these guys right around the $1,000 mark is their Magnus 423B, which is a common themed split Y spoke design. Super cool design, really clean, as well as only $1,000. Last but certainly not least is the RBP SWAT in a 2214 -76 in the black and chrome inserts finish. I know, we'll get to that. I kid you not, this is a 14 wide wheel that you can get for under $1,000 for a set of 4 and really give your truck some stance. Just like the RBP Avenger, this is another RBP wheel that has hit the market at a discounted price on our website and sitting at $990 when it was originally freaking $1,600. That's a huge markdown. So now what that means is this is a split spoke design. Skinny tapered spoke is the black one, while the other one is the chrome insert instead of having milling. It's a super cool design and something that isn't really normal or that you usually see on trucks. Now, there is kind of a busy lip around the wheel. There's a lot of like lines and stars and stuff, so I wasn't a huge fan of that, but you're literally getting a 14 wide for under $1,000. So that's what I got for you guys on today's video. If you guys need wheels for your vehicle, you guys can of course get them at customoffsets.com. We'll see you guys on the next one.